them system of which they create all around. And they criticize their own eyes. Well, yeah, they would catch at a straw if they were to drown. They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They lurk in the corners, skylocks on the streets, flirts in the towns. They never do positive. They find out joy making people business around. Dance a yard before you dance and grab the high priest. Then you not to do them from God and go get good ways. True grace of the birds we pass a young age. You are feeling good ways in the long days. Now take no right from not a school first go get good ways. Good grace. Birds we pass a young age. You are feeling some good ways. It give you long days. What do you say? I tell you now, may I wait your downfall. Figure of a hunter. Yo, what is that? Greater joy, I come this on your figure. I'm gonna get a boot fill up. When Babylon City, I got down to put together where the spread becomes a dagger to the heart. Hey, things are them of a secret. The baby reveal it to them, I walk witchcraft out. So them better, so them are closing. Can't tell the you them where they pass. Everyone is equal. Rastafari say, but not on the ungodly part. God I'm gonna get to good ways. Long days, birds we pass a young days. What about your good ways? It give you length of days. Yo, you taste how you medicine they taste. What? What's them now? Hot and bound them this them not. Who's safe from home flat eye? That's a mass so much. And anything else when we come across the rubbish and trash. Everything that them practice. This same thing they never yet to know when to stop. Full up a bad mind. They got one make you want to see your brother John. Go and have some good ways. True grace. Girl, before you pass, I get those and have some good ways. It give you long